Shower Drain Installation Inspection Guide, ensuring smooth drainage and odor prevention. When inspecting the installation of a shower drain, focus on the following key aspects to ensure proper drainage, reliable sealing, and compliance with standards. 1. Location and floor slope. Shower drain cover should be approximately 2 mm lower than the tile surface, and positioned at the lowest point of the slope. Floor slope should be between 2% and 3% to allow natural water flow into the drain. Use a level tool or pour water to verify the slope direction. The floor drain must align perfectly with the drainage pipe to prevent poor flow or leakage into the mortar bed. The drain should be securely fixed with cement, and surrounding tiles should be accurately cut to fit tightly and neatly. 2. Sealing and odor prevention. Check whether the internal core of the drain is easily removable to avoid cement blockage after installation. All gaps around the drain should be sealed with silicone or adhesive to prevent odor leakage. It is recommended to use physical water seal floor drains. Avoid shallow water seals or self-sealing types, as they are more prone to odor backflow. 3. Drainage performance testing. Pour a large volume of water into the drain area and observe drainage speed. Water should flow quickly without pooling. Inspect the inside of the drainage pipe for any blockages caused by cement or debris. 4. Additional inspection points. Material check. Choose drains made of 304 stainless steel or solid brass. Ensure the electroplated coating is at least 8 micrometers thick to prevent rust. Water retention test. Conduct a 48-hour water retention flood test before grout sealing to ensure there is no leakage into the mortar layer. By following these systematic inspection steps, you can effectively prevent drainage issues such as foul odors, standing water, or leakage, ensuring long-term reliability of the shower drain.